Good evening, VV Nation. My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. It's always a pleasure doing these presentations. Now, it's my job to keep you on the right side of the market. And here at VectorVest, we want to bring great opportunities in your investing journey in 2026. Tonight, we are going to focus on defense stocks. Yes, with all the geopolitical concerns going on in the world, a lot of investors, a lot of traders are fleeing to defense stocks, and in a crowded space in which a lot of these positions are now trading in overvalued territory. Not necessarily a bad thing, just saying that investors are willing to pay a premium. So which stocks are the best investments and which ones are worth paying the premiums? Tonight's presentation will answer just that question as we dive into VectorVest for aerospace and defense. So if this is something that you're interested in, stick around and let's get started. Harnessing the power of the VectorVest software, we are going to focus in aerospace and defense sector. These are the top 5 stocks which appeared. There's 83 stocks found in this space. The reason why these 5 stocks are the top of the list, VST. This is our master indicator on overall value, safety, and timing. The 3 columns before. 0 to 2 scale, these indicators. Above 1 is favorable, and below 1 would be an unfavorable rating. Now, just looking at the stocks here, Innovative Solutions, TAT Technologies, Elbit Systems, Leonardo, and Moog Inc., all showing momentum to the upside today. The leader of the pack being ISSE of 5%, followed by ESLT up over 4%, 4.57%. A lot of momentum in these defense stocks. Now, the first thing we want to do with these positions, look at their valuation. We want to take price, compare it to value. This is not a price target, just what we intrinsically feel the stock is worth. Doing so, we can get a sense if the stock is overvalued or undervalued for investors. Beginning with ISSC, price action at 1934, valuation 2107. The stock is undervalued. As we go down the list, TAT just over our valuation, so fairly valued. Elbit Systems greatly overvalued here compared to 318, trading at 714. Leonardo trading at 34, just overvalued compared to 32.88. And as far as the last position, MOGA currently trading at 275. We value the stock at 226, so also trading at a premium. But looking at these companies' fundamentals, RV and RS, favorable ratings across the board, along with the technicals, RT relative timing, examining the short-term price trend is just letting us know that there's a lot of momentum behind these positions. No surprise, buy recommendations across the board. And looking at the forecasted data, sales growth rate, earnings growth rate, double digits across the board. So at no surprise, I can see exactly why investors and traders are enthused about defense stocks. So let's jump in the charts and see if there's any opportunities with these positions. So out of all the aerospace and defense stocks, these are the ones with the highest combination of value, safety, and timing. Now let's look at the charts to see if there's any opportunities within these positions. Doing so, the green shaded in area, this is going to be our valuation, what we intrinsically feel the stock is worth, along with candlesticks. And just below with the teal line is our stop price. That's when our sell recommendation, the line in the sand, the sell would be given. Now, just below price action, we do have RT relative timing to give us a sense of price trend, see if the technicals are in the favor of the bulls or the bears at that time. And then just below that, we have our forecasted EPS or earnings per share. With these indicators giving us a full picture of what we need to know as an investor when it comes to looking at successful stocks. Now, this position itself, if you found yourself frustrated in 2025 with your portfolio results and you want to enhance those, potentially making them better in 2026, give VectorVest a shot. For right now, 99 cents. Just go to vectorvest.com/YT to take advantage of this limited time offer. Price action, lower left, upper right. Now, there has been some volatility along the way, but the position, undervalued, value rising as well. Position still undervalued. RT relative timing letting us know that the short-term price trend in favor of the bulls. In addition to that, the forecasted earnings per share, nice stair-step fashion from lower left, upper right. As I continue to scroll down, the next position, TAT Technologies, another position that has been undervalued for quite some time. However, with recent momentum, price action at $52.91 currently is above our valuation of $50.21. So investors are paying a little bit of a premium. Buy recommendation has been given though, with price action diverging away from our stop price, showing that momentum to the upside. Also can be seen down below with RT relative timing climbing its way at 1.74. So a lot of momentum with this position currently. So be careful, especially if you're not a momentum trader. But down below, taking a look at the forecasted data, earnings per share also on the rise with this stock. So the next position is going to be ESLT, rather range bound until recently, a breakout. A lot of momentum with this position here, was just under $500, now at $718. But the valuation, not much momentum there. Valuation still at $318. The stock trading at a premium. So make sure you do your research and see exactly what's driving the stock. Now the momentum is to the upside. There is currently a buy rating in place, and look at RT relative timing at 1.81. The momentum was just to the downside not too long ago. Back in November 28th, RT relative timing hit a low at 0.86. However, by December 4th, RT turning back around, showing that the momentum is changing in the bulls' favor, and we've been in a rally ever since. And just looking at the forecasted earnings per share, also on the rise with this stock. These are phenomenal positions. This position, a little gappy in nature, so be careful with it, especially some recent gaps here. Trading above our valuation looks like opportunities. Typically better when the stock is undervalued. RT relative timing also showing some momentum to the upside at 1.55, and earnings per share climbing all the way to 1.31. With recent momentum, valuation stands just shy of $33, so the stock is trading a little bit of a premium right now. Now, the last stock this evening is going to be Kratos Defense and Security. Stock showing a lot of momentum. I'm looking at a level support here around 113. We'd like to see this to hold. Now, we do have an upper wick today. The high hit 119, currently trading at 115. A little bit of a body to the downside right now. So let's see how this plays out. A lot of recent momentum to the upside. The stock is overvalued, currently valued at just $20.52. But the technicals have been in favor of the bulls, according to RT, since January 5th, 2026. RT came in at 1.26. Price action, $89 that day. So you can see the momentum has continued to the upside, bringing RT at 1.72. And again, just like the other stocks, rising earnings per share. Now, after looking at these stocks, I could see why the software brought these positions to the top of the list. A couple of these definitely on my radar going forward in 2026. If you like the stocks that the software brought up, hit the like button. If you're new and you stuck around to the end, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow evening. Good night.